if you do it more often, you will see how he gets crazy about you. Recuritas, welcome to my channel. I'm Callie, and because relationships are complicated, today I'm here to help you. And yes, today's video is gonna blow out your mind because I'm gonna tell you the things girls do that blow a guy's mind. And no, they're not sexual. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do it right now. And also remember, you can hit me up on my Instagram and also leave me a comment if you have a crush or not. So with no further ado, let's start. Sometimes we girls can do a few things, sometimes unconsciously and sometimes really consciously, that can blow a guy's mind. So today I'm gonna tell you the most important that you can try out if you want that guy to be thinking of you, and of course to think that you're very special and to consider you very important. And maybe he will even have some little tiny fear of losing you. Number 1, make him feel a little jealous. Come on, not too much, okay? Just a little bit. We know how to do that. Yeah, like you can kind of flirt a little bit, or you can let another guy flirt with you so he realizes that if he doesn't put a little bit of effort on this, he might end up not being the important one anymore, because you're so interesting, so pretty, so attractive that there are other guys around that also want to be with you. So just a little bit jealous, okay? Number 2, tell him what you want and what you don't want. Yes, have an opinion, have a point of view of things in general, and let him know that. Don't be that type of girl that says yes to everything he says. Oh, that's it, ice cream. Yes. You want to go to the lake? Yes. You want to go to downtown Disney? Yes. No. Have an opinion. Make your point of view. Tell him what you want or what you don't want. No, I don't like ice cream. Thank you. No, I don't want to eat that right now. No, I want to go here and not there. Like, be very strong. Show that your personality is really well defined. Guys love that. Number 3, this comes to your perfume and scents in general. Try to always be smelling nice and good. What do I mean by this? Pick a nice perfume, maybe a nice body lotion scent, or just some hand sanitizer that will make you smell really good when you're around him. Guys love beautiful people, but they love more nice smells. So scents are the key. Number 4, this is one of the most important things a girl can do to blow a guy's mind, and sometimes it's the one that we do less. But trust me, if you do it more often, you will see how he gets crazy about you. And it is, say his name. As simple as that. Yes, when you say his name, that makes him feel important, and that makes him feel that you care about him, that you pay attention. And maybe you're not really paying attention at all, but that's the way a guy's mind works. So say your name when you're talking to him and you'll see. Number 5, and this one can be considered a little bit of, I don't know, tricky, or that you might be cheating a little bit, but it is, when you're around him, talk about things he loves. Of course, to know what he loves, you might already have been done your own research, or you probably are his friend and you've been talking for so long. So try to kind of do your research by your own and see and learn a couple things that he likes. You know, like if he likes sports or if he likes, I don't know, painting. Try to learn a little bit about that, and when you're around him, talk about that. he will be impressed, amazed, and he will feel and think that there's certain type of connection between you two guys. So remember this, you don't need to be really interested 100% on what he is passionate about, but you should definitely learn a little bit so you can talk about it when you're around him. Number 6 can be the easiest, but at the same time the hardest when you have feelings for someone, and especially if you're recently dating or if he's just your crush. What happens is that you need to show him that you also have a life outside of him, that you have friends, that you have a family, that you have activities, that you have your own self going around, and that you need to take care of that and pay attention to that, because that is also important, and he's not like your center of attention. Why I say this is so simple and so hard at the same time? Simple because we all have lives, you know? Before you get a boyfriend, before you have a crush, we all have our own lives. The thing is that it becomes totally hard to keep up with our own lives when we start dating someone, when we have a boyfriend, when we have a crush, because we want to spend a lot of time with them and try to be where they are and try to do what they do and try to go where they go. But trust me, if you show him that you still have your own life, he will just love it, and he might be the one who makes the sacrifices to see you more often. And number 7 can be like the jackpot for everything, and it is make him laugh. I'm not telling you become a joker, because maybe you don't even know how to tell jokes at all. That's me. I don't know how to tell a joke. But if you're honest and confident and you just try to be very entertaining to yourself, and you're able to laugh about your own self and about simple things, it's impressive, and you'll see that he will laugh next to you. So don't make an effort. It has to be natural. If you make an effort and you try to tell a lot of jokes, that's not gonna work. Make him laugh with simple things. Maybe the way you eat your ice cream, the way you eat your cookies, or maybe, I know, the way you talk to your dog. That can make him laugh. And if you make a guy laugh, kaboom! He won't stop thinking about you, because he will have a wonderful time when he's with you. So, if you do one of these 7 things, be sure that you're gonna blow your guy's mind. So, thank you so much, Ricoritas. Hope to see you soon in another video. And please, don't forget to subscribe. I love you. Bye!